Namaste students, this is Jayeshwar. Today we will discuss the story The Black Aeroplane, which is part 2, second story in your chapter number 3 in the first flight of class 10 NCERT textbook for English. The title is Two Stories About Flying. The second one is our story of today, The Black Aeroplane. The points are given on your screen. I will explain the points which will tell you about the story. So let us start. The first point on your screen, a pilot's mysterious experience while flying. So the story narrates a pilot's mysterious experience while flying an aeroplane. The narrator here is a pilot who experiences something mysterious. Mysterious means something which cannot be explained using logic. Anything which doesn't have logical explanation is called mysterious. Second, narrator's eagerness to reach his country and meet his family. The main incident is set up in the night sky. The narrator is a pilot who is flying his aeroplane from France to his homeland, England. He is excited to meet his family and hoping to reach England by morning and have a sumptuous English breakfast. Third, he encounters storm. He faces storm. Suddenly, he sees huge stormy clouds like black mountains in front of him. He cannot fly up and over them. Also, he cannot bypass them since he doesn't have enough fuel in the plane to circumvent the enormous mountains of clouds. The narrator has an option of going back to Paris. So, this was his option. He could go back to Paris. Fourth, his love for his family and homeland makes him lose patience. And fifth, he takes risk. He is missing his family and home. He has lost patience, so he decides to take risk and fly through the clouds. Sixth, caught up in storm. Moments of anxiety. Inside the clouds, everything is black. He cannot see anything. The plane cannot fly properly. It starts having jerks and bumps. All the instruments in the plane are dead. The pilot can neither know the directions nor contact the control room in Paris. He realizes that he is lost. Then, unexpected incident takes place. Then he sees a black aeroplane flying near his plane. The black aeroplane does not have lights on its wings. The narrator is glad to have another person around him in this situation. He sees the pilot of the black aeroplane waving his hand towards him and says, the pilot of the black aeroplane was telling him, "Follow me, follow me." Number 8, from anxiety to relief. The narrator follows the black plane like a child. After following the black aeroplane, he reaches the airport, but he does not see the black aeroplane anywhere in the sky. After landing, he couldn't see it anywhere. 9. Mystery of the black aeroplane. After landing, he comes to know that there was no other plane in the sky when he was flying. The radar did not show any plane other than that of the narrator. The narrator is now left with the questions about that enigmatic black aeroplane. Enigmatic means having mystery. Okay, ENIGMA, enigma means something which is mystery. He has questions in his mind. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? Number 10, title, The Black Aeroplane. The title has its connection with the main incident in the story, and the word black in the title has its association with mystery because the color black has its connection with mystery. Because when we say dark, shady, cloudy, it has its connection with color black and it has its connection with mystery. The last point, ending of the story, our comment on the ending. Thus, the story ends with a mystery. The readers are left to answer the questions asked by the narrator to himself. Which questions? Who saved the narrator? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane in that stormy sky, flying in the storm without lights? So, these are the questions which are left unanswered in readers' minds. Thank you very much.